Hello everyone, and welcome. Today we are going to take a look at the data mask types in inline input grids. You can format the values displayed in input grid columns using the masks feature. Let's see how this works on an example. Here we have an order entry application that can capture order details and generate a code. In this application, we need to create an input grid where users can select the item types and counts. You can change the mask properties from the right-hand menu when you click the control in the User Interface Designer. You can then click a column to go into its properties. Please note that this property will only be available if the Use Metadata Formatting option is disabled. Otherwise, all formatting will be controlled by the workbook metadata. We will be covering this topic in detail in another video. Mask types can include options like decimal, integer, date, time, percentage, and currency. If you select numeric fields like integer, decimal, currency, or percentage, two additional properties for minimum and maximum values will become available. These two fields allow setting a minimum and maximum allowable value for the cells under those columns. We would want the items order to be a positive number, so for that we can just type in 0 for minimum and a top limit for the maximum value. If you select a numeric mask type, you're also going to be able to set a precision level by entering a value into the precision property. The first column in our input grid is for selecting the item type. We already have a list of items in our spreadsheet. When you enable the Include drop-down option, you're going to be able to select from a list name range and make all cells underneath that column become drop-down inputs. Just like in regular drop-down controls, this also includes options like isList static and show formatted list options. When isList static is disabled, the system will assume that the contents of the drop-down list could change with each calculation. If your drop-down list is generated through formulas, make sure to disable this option. Enabling this option, on the other hand, will help with calculation load times. Show formatted list options will display the formatted values for drop-down list items, and the formatting values will come from the properties set in the underlying Excel file.